Morning dear students, welcome to your English online class. Children, today we will start next chapter of English grammar, that is articles. Now what are articles, children? The words a and the are called articles. And where do we place them? We place articles, children, usually before noun. And why do we place them? We place them to indicate the person or the thing we are referring to in a sentence. So we place articles a and or the to a person or the thing we are referring to in a sentence. Okay, now children, there are two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. So indefinite articles include a and an, and definite article includes article the. Now see few examples. I saw a man standing outside our house. Now in this sentence, a is an indefinite article, and in the second sentence, I ate an orange in the evening. Now in this sentence, article an is an indefinite article. Now why they are called indefinite article? Because they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Okay, so indefinite articles, they do not refer to any particular person or specific person or thing, but they talk about a person or a thing in general. Okay, now where do we use article a, children? We use article a with the words which are beginning with consonant. Okay, which are beginning with consonant. We use article a. Okay, so we use article A before the words which begin with consonant sound and before vowels which have consonant sound. Okay. So if a word is starting with any consonant letter alphabet, then we use article A before it. And if a word is beginning with a vowel but it begins with the sound of a consonant, then also before it we use article A. For example, a woman, a dog, a fruit. Now these are the words which are beginning with consonant, so we have used article a before them. Now see another words: a unit, a university, a European. Now these words, children, they are beginning with vowels, but the sound which they are beginning with is of consonant. Like unit, U, it is beginning with the sound U, that is YOU. So they are beginning with the sound of a consonant Y. So that's why we have used article A before it. Okay. Now same here, a university. It is also beginning with the sound U, and Y means Y. So Y is a consonant. So we have used article A before it. Okay. Now an. Where do we use article an? Now children, an is used before words starting with vowel sound and words where the consonant sound at the beginning is silent. Means that when a word begins with a vowel sound, whether it is starting with a vowel or whether it is starting with a consonant, but the sound it begins with is of a vowel, then before it we use an. For example, an umbrella, an egg, an r. Now this word r is beginning with a consonant h, but the sound of it is beginning with a vowel r o. Okay, so we have used article an before it. An honest man. Here also this word is beginning with a consonant, but we have used article an before it because its sound is beginning with a vowel sound, that is honest o. Okay, so that's why we have used article an before it. Now usage of indefinite articles. Where do we use article a or an? We use them before a singular countable noun. We use articles a and an before singular countable noun. Means the nouns which are singular and can be counted. For example, I found an eraser. Now in this sentence, eraser is a noun and it is singular and countable. So that's why before it we have used article an. I need a book. Now in this sentence, book is a noun and we have used article a before it. Okay, it is noun and it is singular and countable, so we have used article a before it. Then when a singular noun is mentioned and it does not refer to any particular person or thing. So if in a sentence singular noun is not referring to any particular person or thing, before it also we use article a or an. For example, I need a bicycle, I saw a blind man. So they are not referring to any particular person or thing, any particular bicycle or any particular blind man. So that's why we have used article a before them. To refer to one person or thing. Okay, so we use article a or an to refer to one person or a thing in a sentence. A stitch in time saves nine. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here articles a means one, an means one, a means one. Okay. With names of occupations, we use article a or an with names of occupations, like she'll be a pianist, he wants to become an architect, Aman is training to become a pilot. Okay. Now definite article the. The is called a definite article because why it is called definite article? Because it points out to a particular person or thing in a sentence. For example, he saw the minister during the parade. We are, in this sentence we are talking about a particular minister, so we have used article the king of the country. Now here in this sentence we are referring to a particular king of the country, so we have used article the. Now where do we use article the? It is used when we mention a person or a thing for the second time in a sentence. I found second time. So whenever we mention a person or a thing for the second time, we use article the. I found a pair of spectacles just now. I believe the spectacles belong to Shraddha. Now, for first time when we used this noun spectacles, we have used a, and then when we have used it again, we have used the before it. Okay. Nitin has a pet dog. We are referring to the pet dog for the first time. We have used article a, and then he plays with the dog every day. Now here we have the dog is being referred to for the next time, second time. So we have used article the before it. We use article the children when it is clear to the listener or reader which person or thing we are referring to. When the reader or the listener knows about which person the speaker is referring to, then also we use article the. For example, my bike is at the service station on Mahatma Gandhi Road. So here the reader or the listener knows about the service station about which the speaker is referring to. So we have used article the. These cakes are from the famous bakery in my neighborhood. Okay. So particular bakery has been talked about in this sentence, famous bakery in the neighborhood. So the article the has been used. Now, when there is only one thing of that kind, we use article the before the nouns which are only one of their kind. For example, the sun, the Taj Mahal, etc. Before ordinal numbers, we use article the before ordinal numbers, like the first prize. Today is the 4th April. Okay. Before names of rivers, seas, and ocean, we use article the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, etc. Before names of religious texts like the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, etc. Use article the before the names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps. We use article the before proper nouns when talking about a family or people of a nation, like the Guptas. Now we have used article the before Gupta's family, okay, particular family, the Guptas. Then the Portuguese, people of a particular nation, okay. Before adjectives in the superlative degree. So we use article the before superlative degree. That is, for example, the oldest, the greatest, etc. Now, when we don't use articles, omission of article means when we do not use article. We do not use article before names of languages used as nouns. So when language names of languages they are used as noun, we don't use articles before them. For example, I am learning to speak Marathi. He studied French for 3 years. Okay, so here these names of the languages they are being used as nouns. So we have not used articles before them. We don't use article before the names of games Like he plays basketball, she likes to play tennis, not he plays the basketball. That is wrong. Okay. Then we don't use articles before abstract nouns when they refer to something in journal. Okay. For example, people fear darkness. Now darkness is an abstract noun and it is not being referred, it is being referred to, it is being referred in journal. Okay, it is being used in journal, so we have not used article the before it. Before plural noun representing the entire class or species. So when plural noun is used to represent the entire class or species, we do not use the before them. Like houses, it is a plural noun and it is representing the entire class in the sentence, so we have not used article, any article before it. Houses have become very expensive. Now we don't use articles before uncountable nouns. Like flour is produced from wheat. This ring is made of gold. Now children, we don't use articles before names of meals. Like we had oats for breakfast. We have not, breakfast is the name of a meal and we have not used article, any article before it. What do you want to have for dinner? Now dinner is the name of a meal and we have not used any article before it. Now before the names of planets also children, we don't use any article. Like the spaceship landed on Mars. Have you seen the rings around Saturn? So this was your chapter children. Now see the questions. Tick the nouns before which only the definite article can be used. Now in this we have to put tick in front of the nouns which before which definite article the is used. The Ganga, best actor, Italians, Mehras, Earth, Andamans, Hindustan Times and moves. Okay. Now see another question. Rewrite the sentences using articles. So we have to rewrite the sentences given by using articles. The manager of Oberoi Grand is my uncle. Then see few more example. The Taj Mahal in Agra is popular tourist attraction. So we have to put article the before Taj Mahal. Okay. So same way children, you will do this whole question and question number C also. So here our chapter completes. Do the questions which I have given you. Thank you. God bless you.